Mixed by Nevs.
Hey everyone, Joffrey here. Welcome to our comprehensive review of the Huawei Nova 12i, the latest addition to Huawei's Nova series smartphone lineup. Let's dive into full details of this device and let's see what it can offer. But before that, if you haven't subscribed yet, please don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss all my latest gadget reviews. Let's get started. First, let's do the unboxing. Once you open the box, you will see the phone itself, and the one I have here is the green color. Inside, you will get the SIM ejector pin, USB-C cable, silicone case, and the 40 watts charger. Now, let's talk about the design and the display. The Huawei Nova 12i boasts a sleek design with a 6.7-inch IPS LCD display that offers a resolution of 1080 by 2388 pixels and a 90Hz refresh rate for smooth scrolling and animation. The display features a punch-hole design with a very slim bezels of 1mm thin, providing an immersive viewing experience. The phone is lightweight and slim as well. At the bottom, there's a microphone, dual SIM tray, but unfortunately no SD card expansion, Type-C port, and speaker grill. There's a power button integrated with a fingerprint along with a volume rocker at the right side and a microphone on top for call noise cancellation. Now under the hood, the Huawei Nova 12i is powered by the Snapdragon 680, a 6nm chipset with a clock speed of Octacore 2.2 GHz, paired with 8GB LPDDR4X RAM plus 3GB RAM expansion to boost the performance. For gaming performance, the Snapdragon 680 is equipped with Adreno 610 GPU. It delivers average frame rates across various games. Benchmarks like Antutu indicate that Snapdragon 680 may not be the most powerful option for high-end gaming. It is capable of handling most popular games at medium to high settings and can manage some demanding games at low settings. It's a suitable choice for a mid-range smartphone where a balance between cost and performance is desired. It also comes with 256GB of internal storage, ensuring an ample space for apps and media. Moving on to the camera, this Nova 12i really shines. Photography enthusiasts will appreciate this phone. It is packed with dual camera setup on the back, consisting of a whopping 108MP main lens, a 2MP macro camera, and an 8MP selfie shooter, which is decent for selfies and video calls. This device is equipped with 5000 mAh battery and supports 40 watts Huawei Supercharged Turbo, allowing for quick top-ups when you're on the go. Definitely, it will last for a whole day on normal usage and with multi-countries battery safety certification. The Nova 12i runs on EMUI 14, Huawei's own skin on top of Android 12 operating system, which offers a range of features and user-friendly interface, such as more themes options like magazines, headline, and emojis. Now, in terms of additional features, the phone has a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for security with new enrollment system. Just a slide in the fingerprint scanner, it is now more faster and accurate. However, it lacks an FM radio and 3.5mm headphone jack. The Huawei Nova 12i is priced at 949 dirhams here in Dubai with 8GB of RAM plus 256 of internal storage. Now, here is my final verdict. The Huawei Nova 12i seems to be a solid mid-range smartphone with a strong focus on display and camera capabilities. While it lacks some features like expandable storage and a headphone jack, it makes up for it with fast charging and large battery. It's a device worth considering if you're in the market for a new smartphone. Alright, that's our hands-on review of the latest Huawei Nova 12i. If you found this video interesting and helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more exciting tech reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.